Thinking of buying new makeup? Before you choose your next makeup product, here are 7 things everyone should know to help make smarter beauty choices. 1. Know your skin type. Choosing makeup that's suitable for your skin type can help it look and feel its best throughout the day. 2. Read genuine reviews. Look for balanced reviews that mention both the benefits and the drawbacks, not just perfect ratings. 3. Check the shade carefully. Colors can look different depending on lighting and your screen. Compare swatches from different sources whenever possible. 4. Check the ingredients. If you have sensitive skin or know certain ingredients don't suit you, always read the ingredient list before buying. 5. Buy for your needs, not trends. Choose products that suit your skin, lifestyle, and beauty goals, rather than simply following what's popular. 6. Compare quality, not just price. A higher price doesn't always mean better quality. Many affordable products perform just as well. 7. Healthy skin comes first. Healthy, well-cared-for skin creates the best base for makeup, so don't overlook your skincare routine. Beautiful results begin with informed choices. Subscribe to Radiant Wellness for practical tips and trusted guidance to help you make smarter health and beauty choices.